Let's create another Python file. And this time we're gonna be talking about 4 types of Python collections. There are 4 types of Python collections. List collection, indexed ordered changeable. Tuple collection, ordered unchangeable. Set collection, unindexed, unordered, unchangeable. And finally, dictionary is ordered changeable. Let's create basic list. Let's name it vacations. Square brackets, and in square brackets we select elements. You want to go to Bahamas. You want to go to Hawaii. You want to go to Greece. You want to go to Italy, historic tour. Now, you might want to go to Euro trip, the whole trip. You might want to visit British Isles. Might want to visit, let's say it's South Americas. Okay. Right now, at this point, I'd like to print everything we've got here. So I say print, and print what? Print all this list, vacations. Do not forget to save your file. And let's execute it. I'll pull it right here. Okay, we printed it. Now let's add something to vacations. So I say vacations, append. Append what? Mediterranean. And append something else. Actually, we've been to Mediterranean. Let's say China tour. Japan tour. And let's say India tour. And after that, we want to print it again. Now, before this, I want to print something, some kind of declaration. Create list items. Here, I'm saying print list. Print list items. Here I'm saying append list items, and here print items, list items again. Let's do it. Save your file. I'll clear the output. Once again, we created a list. We print list. Then we append. What does it mean append? Add to the end 3 items, and then we're printing it again. Let's roll. Here we are. It's first list. This is second, as you can see, we added China tour, Japan, India tour. Clear. Now we want to remove something. So we say vacations. Here you see you can insert, you can sort, you can pop something. However, we're interested in something practical. Remove. Remove what? Let's say I want to remove Bahamas. I want to remove 3 items. Bahamas, Eurotrip, let's say I want to remove British Isles. First of all, it was here, then remove list items, and again print list items. Such a practical list. Okay, let's do it. Now what? I'll say first print list items. Yes, second print list items. Then third print list items to see it visually. Now I'll pull it up. Run your Python file. Okay, first list items. This is the list. Then we append it. Second print list items. As you can see, added China tour, Japan, India tour. And 3 print. However, I didn't print it. Clear. I didn't say print here. Save. Run again. Here it is. It's a 3 print items. As you can see, Bahamas, Eurotrip, and British Isles have been removed. This is list number 1. Now let's create another type of list in the next lecture.